What's this?
Oh, a Shinx.
Yes. Alright, last one. What's this?
Charlie.
No.
Oh, a Bonsly or whatever.
Cudpug.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can I do one?
That's all the Pokemon I have.
Okay.
Can I do one?
Yeah. Oh god.
What the hell is that?
Is it I'm gonna say something in the oh no, Shellos?
No.
Bronzong.
You can only have a female of it.
Miltank.
What's that?
No.
Oh.
Miltank.
No.
Vespiquen.
Sorry?
Vespiquen.
Yes.
Yeah!
Love this.
No, we've got it. I got one. Alright, I got one. This one's an easy one.
Moltres.
No.
Zapdos.
No.
Articuno.
No.
Zero?
No.
Pharaoh.
No!
I just said that.
It's not a bird.
Spearow.
No.
Give us a clue.
No, because then it's too easy.
Weedle.
No.
Hitmonchan.
No.
What does it start with?
An S.
Starly.
No.
No, it's not a bird.
Scarecrow. Do it again.
What?
Do it again.
No, I can't. I've changed.
Unless it's a Pokemon from Gold and Silver, I'm probably not going to know it.
It
What's
is
this?
from Silver.
If it's-
Sudowoodo?
No.
Unless it's a Pokemon from Red and Blue, I'm not going to know it.
No, I can't help you.
I've got one for you in the meantime.
Yeah.
What's this?
No!
It's John Barrowman.
This is John Barrowman.
Now, John Barrowman would be more fabulous.
You were fabulous, darling. Fabulous.
Is there any that's really camp, like it's like a wolf whistle or something?
I will have a look. Oh, the one you couldn't get was Suicune, by the way. Or Suicune is something.
Oh, I said that.
No, you didn't!
I said Raikou, Entei, Suicune.
Here's another one.
Oh, I know that. Ah, that's from Platinum.
Oh god, that's really annoying.
I know it. It's
Give us a clue.
It is, I think it's a ghost type.
oh,
I think.
Mischievous.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Alright, I got one. This is John Barrowman.
Go on. Do it again. It's not loud enough.
Is that
No.
Frostlass?
No.
Jingling.
No.
Chimchio.
That's like a cat.
Nigger.
No, it is a kind of cat.
It is?
Yeah.
Is it Skitty?
No, you're very close.
Delcatty? Or
Yeah.
yay, I finally got one.
Well done.
Someone else do one.
I got one for you. Are you listening?
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna do it anymore.
Alright, I got one.
Go on. Arceus.
No. I don't have an Arceus.
Dialga.
No.
Pulkina.
It's very big.
Lugia.
No.
Metagross.
No, bigger than that.
Dragonite.
No.
Gyarados.
Biggest Pokemon.
Steelix.
No.
Oh lord.
Yeah! I was gonna say it was a whale song.
Oh, Mark.
Yeah.
You know that if you remember, Wellsong used to have like a CD as her display picture.
Vaguely.
It was like a whale music CD.
Oh, yeah.
We found that exact CD in a shop. Me and Annie did.
Oh.
We were gonna buy it, but it was like 10 quid, and we were like, no.
New one for you.
Toot
Oh, I
toot.
know.
Oh, yes.
What was it?
Hoot hoot.
Woo!
Which is the one that goes? "Rrr. Rrr."
Oh my god!
Oh, I think I got it. Is it this one? Hold on. Oh, what? No. No, this one's Gibble.
Oh, Gibble. Oh, I hate that. Mark,
Yes.
I've got like 400 and something Pokemon on my diamond. And guess what I don't have?
What?
A Cricketop.
Oh.
I have a Cricketune, but not a Cricketop. I can't believe that. I haven't got a Bastiodon, or a Rampardos, or a Wormadam, or a Mothim, or a Vespiquen.
Amanda,
Mhm.